a replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep from. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my eyeballs like a replay, replay.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing the part 2 of the giveaway, and obviously I didn't get to do all of the gifts last time because I could only send 10 gifts per day. So the only outfits that's left is the Valentine's one and the purple and blue one. Okay, let's pick a winner for an outfit. Okay. Ooh. And obviously in the last video we had 38 comments, something like that, and now we have 49, so obviously new people has been commenting. So yeah, and please guys don't forget to love as well, because I need more loves too. I might pick one of these new people. I think Space Puppy 2, sorry about your name, Space Puppy 2005, I can't speak today, 2005 gets the Valentine's outfit. So yeah, I'm going to pause and I'm going to show you for proof that I did actually give her the outfit. Okay. So guys, I gave her the gifts and I'm just waiting like for it to come up with messages because my laptop's been really slow. Right. Waiting. Apple set. So guys, I sent her the message. I said, hey Space, love heart. You won the competition on outfit number 1, because that's the one she asked for. Congrats, by the way, check your gifts and you're on YouTube, because she's on YouTube. Okay. My channel is Izzy King. So thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe down below and comment your name on MSP. It has to be UK MSP. No other servers, sorry. But yeah, comment down your UK usernames and you can have a chance to win outfit number 3. Bye guys.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my eyeballs like a replay, replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 every day's like my eyeballs like a replay.